Good morning, everyone. Wishing you a very happy Sunday. Today, I would be telling you a story of a 10-year-old boy whose name is Chinu. And why I am telling you this story, the consequences I'll tell you later. So, let's start the story. So, Chinu is a 10-year-old boy who lives in a very good society in Kolkata, and he studies in a very reputed school in Kolkata. Both of his parents are working, and obviously they are so busy that they don't have time for him in his any activities. They don't have the time to participate or play with him, and whenever they are free, they are either with their smartphones or they're talking to somebody or doing something on their laptop, but they don't have time to give to Chinu. I think most of you can relate to this situation, and if there is some message to be conveyed, they do it through WhatsApp, or they call or give a missed call. This is how the communication happens in their house. But Chinu is somebody who is very extrovert kind of a boy, who interacts with everybody, who talks to everybody, who helps everybody. But suddenly his parents could notice a lot of changes in him. He was a very happy-go-lucky child, and then suddenly he started to be extremely cranky, which is like he's excessively crying or withdrawn. He does not want to mix with anybody or talk to anybody, just wants to be in his own shell or in his own room. Next is obviously he's showing a lot of physical issues like headache. Every day he's reporting that he's having headache, stomach ache, stomach issues, body ache, fever, cold, cough. All these things are common, extremely common in his daily routine nowadays. Next is he is having very poor appetite, sleep disturbances and nightmares, and he's obviously not able to concentrate on his studies. He has, he's showing symptoms of hopelessness and guilt and worthlessness. He's always feeling that he cannot do anything in his life. He cannot achieve. Everybody has achieved a proper goal. Everybody is getting good marks in school, but I can't. These kinds of thoughts are continuously coming in his mind. And next is he is also having thoughts of death on a regular basis. He is showing immense decline in his school performance. He is not able to remember all what he is studying in the school, or he is revising at the home. The next day he goes to school, he is forgetting everything. These are the signs which we see in children with depression. Yes, children can also have depression. We have only heard of adults having depression, but no, even children are suffering from depression, and this is increasing day by day. Obviously, Corona has a big role to play, because 2 years we could not go outside and meet anybody. For us adults, it was easier because somewhere we were busy with their work and everything. But the children, they had their school. The only way of socialization which was there, it has been stopped because of this particular pandemic, and they cannot go outside. So in this situation, obviously they were showing signs of this depression, anxiety, and all these kinds of mental health issues were there in the child. So what happened next in the story? When he had started showing physical issues in him, his parents took him to the pediatrician. The pediatrician found all his reports to be normal and everything is normal. Then why is he having such problem? Then the pediatrician immediately asked them to consult some psychologist. And then they visited the psychologist, and the psychologist obviously studied him, talked to him, and understood that he is suffering from childhood depression. And obviously there are certain causes which is causing this depression in him. First of all, his parents were not giving him quality time. Maybe they were giving him quantity time, or he is getting whatever he wants in his life, but the attention from his parents was missing. So that would cause another depression in him. Next is obviously he was mixing, but he wanted to play more. That was not possible because of his extracurricular activities. He had no time to play with his friends, enjoy time by himself. That was not possible. He could not play with his cards or fly aeroplanes, draw or something, because he did not have time. He had swimming classes, he has karate classes, he had all sorts of classes which would he would be engaged into an activity, but a free playing freely without any pressure, and that was not there. So that could have caused depression in him. And obviously corona, 2 years we could not go outside. Even the children were packed because they were not vaccinated. So obviously parents were not allowing the children to go outside and play. And obviously other places have a lot of rules and regulations where they could not play because social distancing would not be maintained and they would catch a disease because obviously they have low immunity by now. So these were the issues which might have caused depression in him, and maybe his parents were not in a proper interaction with him, or maybe there were some kind of distort between his parents where they had a difference of opinion, and this was showed in front of the child. Because when we were in the lockdown, there was nowhere, all the people were stuck in the house, and whatever the fights and everything was done in front of the child. So this was creating a lot of problems and a lot of pressure on the child. So please make sure that if you have any difference of opinion or any fights, please make sure that you don't do it in front of the child. Please, remove that child from there or make him go to a separate room where he can understand that it's okay, that I should not be present in this place. You explain him the situations, because most of the time we don't explain what is happening. We just give the order to the child that you do this. But what is the consequence, what happens, we don't explain. So please, try to explain, because a child understands everything. We feel that the child does not understand anything, but actually the child understands each and every details. Even when he is a 0-month baby, a child understands everything. So if you feel that child is, not understanding or something, that's a real wrong issue. So please ensure that. And obviously there are other problems, like if he or she has some terminal illness like cancer or any other issue that might cause a site of depression in him, then obviously if parents are not in a proper parenting is not there, plus if the parents are constantly fighting with each other, this creates depression in the child. He has nobody to play with, he is all alone, he feels lonely. These causes depression. And obviously if there is some certain life event which has disturbed him, this causes depression. And what happens is, like, we when a child is lonely, we either give him a mobile or make him sit in front of TV that he's watching TV. Instead of spending time with the child, it's easier to give him a gadget and deal to it. But please don't do that. Make sure that you spend time with the child, because once the childhood is over, you won't get time with the child. So make sure that you spend some time, minimum time with the child, and then interact. And then, because once the childhood is over, the child will move out of the house and he won't get time with the child. So make sure that you spend at least 5 minutes. Even if you spend 5 minutes, make sure that's a quality time that you give only to the child. Not when you are talking to the child and you are just scrolling the phone. That won't help it. When you are giving time to the child, give the entire attention to the child. Otherwise, it would be very difficult to deal with the child. And like how to deal with the child with depression and everything, I would discuss it in the next video. I hope you like this video, and please like, share and comment on the video. And obviously, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And lastly, I just want to say to all of you that please wear the masks again, because again corona is rising. And please be safe and take care of yourselves, and thank you.